Hi guys, I'm here because I got something in the mail. Something new. Something somebody sent me, and I'm so excited to do a box opening. I want to see what this is, so you guys come along with me and let's check it out. Alright, let's see. Don't need you to see my address. Whoa. Alright, so I cut the box open. Ooh, don't read that. And let's open it up. Look at it. Ooh, I'm not sure how I'm going to get this. Let me do it this way. Okay, you ready? Well, I can't do it with one hand, so. Okay, let's get ready. More styrofoam. Oh, and I got an extended warranty. All right, you ready? You ready for this big reveal? Ta-da! Oh, yeah, ta-da! It is a kitchen canister. It's got the lock. You can put flour, sugar, coffee. It holds a lot of different things. But this is by a... Alright, so this comes from a company called Sweeze. They emailed me. They love my videos, and they've seen me do cooking and product review in the past, so they've asked me to become a spokesperson. So how exciting is that? So this is just the box opening to show you how cool. And look at the lid. Bamboo lid. I mean, technically, I like it the way it is, but with my Cricut, I could have whatever I keep in there. There's a lot of options, and I love the color. Don't you just love that color? I do. So, thank you, Sweeze, for my canister. I'm loving it. And my next cooking video, I'll have a place for this, and I'll know exactly what to put in there. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, I do. I know exactly what to put in there. So, next cooking one, you guys will be there. Alright, guys. I hope you enjoyed this box opening. And love my canister. Alright, guys. I'll see you later. Oh, don't forget. If I haven't told you lately, thank you. Thank you for being here. And I love you all. Love you.